Hey guys, it's Ray from RLoco12 and EpicDroid.com, and I am here today with the Smartish Wallet Slayer case for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. Now, unfortunately, I wasn't able to get my hands on a real S24 Plus, but I was able to get my hands on this dummy device. Now, for those of you who aren't aware, dummy devices are essentially a real device. They just don't turn on. And the good news is it's going to work great for what we're doing here today. So looking at the Wallet Slayer, it is an awesome case. It's one of my favorite cases. It combines several different features. It combines convenience, it combines protection, and it combines affordability, as well as good looks. So they have this one, they have several others, they have some that have like mountain landscapes, they have some that have animals, they have this black tie affair. They also have the cool ability to be able to print onto these cases whatever design you want. So you can go on Amazon or on their website and you can upload an image and they will print that image to the case for you. So to put this on the device, you're going to flip it over like this. You're going to take your phone, you're going to find the power and the volume buttons, you're going to slide those in first, pop it down around the corners, and then presto, you're good to go. Now you will see here it does have a raised lip that goes around the whole front of the device that goes across the top, the bottom, and the sides. And what that does is allows you to set that down without having to worry about the screen getting scratched up. It's also deep enough there so that you can put a screen protector on. That screen protector will be protected as well. Now flipping it over to the back, we will see a similar feature here on the back. There is this deep cutout there for your camera, your flash, and your other sensors. And you can set that down. You don't have to worry about it getting scratched up. Now there is a little bit of a wobble just because of the fact that we have this wallet case here, but your camera is protected with that as well. Another thing you will see here on the front is that there is this little teeny cutout there across the top there that makes it so you can use your front-facing audio without any loss of audio quality. And then flipping it around here to the bottom, you will see that there is a cutout for your USB-C charging port as well as for your speaker and microphone. Flipping it over here to the top, you will see cutouts for your noise-canceling mic. And then here on the sides, you will see your power and your volume up and your volume down. Now again, because this isn't a real device, it's not going to turn on, but I can tell you that from pushing these buttons, they do maintain that natural clickiness, and having used this case on real devices, on several real devices, I've never had any problems using it. Now the main feature of the case, that is this here on the back, and that is the wallet. So that convenience comes in the form of being able to hold 3 different credit cards. I've actually been able to fit 4 in there, but they say 3, so I probably shouldn't push the 4, but you can just go ahead and you can slide all those cards in. Trusty Comcast fake credit cards there that they send in the mail every week or two. And as you can see there, that fits them very comfortably. It doesn't add any additional bulk to it, and those cards are kept in there very snugly. Now, when I was talking about protection, one of the things it has for protection is it has a very grippy surface here on the sides. It's a sandpaper texture and it allows you to hold that comfortably in your hand. Now, if by some happenstance that does happen to flip out of your hand and pops down onto the ground, even with that, they barely pop out at all. So you don't have to worry about losing your cards, your device is protected, and it looks good, especially if you use some of their other designs here, and even if you upload your own design. All in all, it's a great case. I love the look of it, and I love the feel of it. It feels very comfortable in the hand, and I love the affordability of it. I love the fact that it goes for between $20 and $25 on Amazon. That's a great deal for something like this, with this level of protection and this quality of design. I also love the convenience that the Wallet Slayer offers. In today's world, our phones keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and our pockets haven't changed size to match the growth of the phones. And I still have to fit this and a wallet and my keys and my chapstick and whatever else I need to be carrying at that time, and it just gets to be quite a tight fit. However, with today's technology, we have the ability to store most things on Google Wallet or similar apps, and so we have been able to cut back on what we need, but you still need to take an ID, a credit card sometimes for places that don't take the scanners or things like that. And it's really nice to be able to have those 1 or 2 cards that I do need and to be able to have my phone with me as well. I super like the Wallet Slayer, and I love the company behind it. Smartish makes a lot of great quality products, and they are products that I use literally every day. If you haven't seen it already, check out my video that I did recently where I highlight all the different products from Smartish that I use on a daily basis. If you guys have any questions about the Wallet Slayer, about the S24 Plus, or about Smartish's other products, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below and we'll reply as soon as we are available. If you've enjoyed this video, if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.